Daddy, it's out of battery.
Just a sec. Let me finish this, and I'll change the batteries for you.
Daddy, my toy train is stuck. Come quick.
Whoa!
Daddy, are you okay?
I'm so tired.
Hey friend, are you tired of chores? Robot housekeeper, your perfect helper for everyday life.
Ordering now.
Look, it's the delivery. Whoa.
The robot is here. Whoa! Whoa!
So cool!
Your personal robot housekeeper is now activated. Just call me anytime you need help.
Robot, clean up the laundry room and wash the clothes too.
No problem. Leave it to me.
Awesome!
That's amazing! Robot, clean the windows and floors too. Make them spotless.
No problem. Leave it to me. All housework complete.
Whoa! This is great! It can handle all the housework.
Yay! Then Daddy can play with me.
Sure! Hello? Yes, just a moment. Sorry, Mila. I need to send an important email first. Robot, play house with Mila.
Game time. Yay! Let's do it. Let's play with blocks together.
Sure.
Let's build a super big castle first.
Scan completed.
Huh? Why's the castle upside down? Oops! The picture is upside down. Actually, let's just pretend to be princesses.
Okay.
This is not a princess. Oh. Oh no! I am an octopus. No! Try again.
I've got an idea. This time you'll look great.
Daddy, come play frisbee with me.
Sorry, Milo. I need to finish this email first.
All right.
Why don't you play with the robot for now?
Okay.
Robot, play frisbee with Milo.
New command received. Play frisbee.
This is so fun. Higher. Farther.
Okay.
Higher. Farther. Don't stop.
Got it. Higher and farther. Launching now. Please be ready to catch.
This is too much.
Frisbee mission perfectly completed.
Ooh, finally done. Let's see how they're doing.
Daddy, the robot just doesn't get what I'm saying. It threw the pool like a frisbee. Exactly. I want to be a pretty princess, but it always dresses me weird.
Even a smart robot has things it can't understand or do right. Looks like Daddy's got to do the playing himself. Thanks for your hard work. We'll leave the housework to you from now on. Come on! Now it's Daddy's turn to play with you!
Yay! Daddy, catch! Daddy, I'm hungry.
Robot, please get dinner ready.
No problem. Leave it to me. Dinner is ready.
This is so good. The robot is the best as our housework helper.
But when it comes to playing with us, Daddy's the best. Yeah, I love it when Daddy plays with us.
Daddy loves it too.